I had a Hydrofacial and I was absolutely blown away. It had been 4 days of conferencing and I just couldn't believe how my skin felt after going through that whole thing, and I thought, okay, I'm just going to do another facial, and then boom, he did this Hydrofacial on me, and it was absolutely unbelievable how my skin felt afterwards.
This seemed to fit very well with our new philosophy and a growing market for patients who wanted less invasive procedures, quicker down, or no downtime, and certainly ones that were, effective and safe.
I had a friend that had a Hydrofacial done, and I had noticed a change in her face. It seemed more hydrated, more rejuvenated, so I decided I should try it out since I had never had a facial before. I never thought I needed it, and it really was amazing.
This was a technology that I hadn't seen before, and this is something that is brand new and extremely effective. And after talking to a few of the clients just in the first few weeks that I was here, I was so impressed with the results, because not only were they visual and I could see them when they were coming out, but they were glowing and they were gushing about this service and how effective it was, and we see those clients again and again.
I was introduced to the Hydrofacial from a referral from my friend who had it recently, and her skin looked amazing, so I had to get it. I asked her where she got it and how she found out about it. And I was in there the next day, and I have just been coming back ever since.
What I really love about Hydrofacial is it's very easy to recommend. It covers all aspects of dermatology, all skin types, all ages, all genders.
Immediately after my first Hydrofacial, I started to think about when I could come back for another one, and I was thinking about once a month, but the results are so great that I'm trying to think about whether I can do it once every 2 weeks.
Hydrofacial complements every single surface that I do here. A skin always improves much better when it's fully rehydrated and softened.
For a guy, it's very simple to get done, and you don't have to spend hours and hours at a spa like most guys don't like to do.
I have had great success with the Hydrofacial in all different types of skin. Acne, rosacea, hyperpigmentation, anti-aging, all of these skin types benefit from the use of Hydrofacial because we are able to customize what the patient needs, and we can target that area.
The nicest thing for me is that it frees up my time in my hands to be doing other things like injectables and surgery. So economically, it's been quite a nice boon for the practice, but it's also made other procedures that we do more effective.
The Hydrofacial actually has increased the amount of times that we see our customers return to us.
Is having a service and having this technology that brings back local clientele in particular, but that also we find the resort guest or the business guest that we have on occasion is actually actively seeking it out.
They hear it from their friends, so it's kind of an introduction for our patients because they'll come in. That'll be one of their first things they do, and then they see all the other things we have.
Literally within 6 weeks, the machine had paid for itself. We have since bought a second machine, and that has paid for itself in the exact amount of time. So we can't even turn these machines off. They're extremely popular, and what it's done to our retention with regards to our clients is we've sold a series, and people are using this every week, and they're noticing the differences immediately in their skin. And so word of mouth travels probably is the best advertisement for anything. And that's what's happened here within our community.
There really is no comparison for what this machine can do.
I'm 85 years old. I've been doing the Hydra, no, I'm just kidding.